Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in the Shopify admin. Open Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize on the live theme. Once the theme editor loads, you need to find the header or navigation block where your main menu appears. Use the left panel to expand sections and click the header or navigation component so the editor highlights the menu in the preview. This first actionable step isolates the menu element so subsequent style changes target the correct area, avoiding theme-wide font collisions or unintended overrides. Once you've isolated the menu, check theme settings under typography for a built-in font size control. Changing that is the safest method. If the theme lacks a control, make the change with Custom CSS, either in Theme Settings Custom CSS field or by editing Assets/Theme. SCSS, Liquid or Theme. CSS, add a targeted rule such as Site nav a font size 16px, line height 1, 2, and save. You do this to avoid global side effects and keep the change scope to navigation links. After adding CSS or using the typography control, preview on desktop and mobile to confirm legibility and wrapping behavior. Once satisfied, publish the theme changes. If the new size doesn't appear, clear browser cache or hard refresh and check for conflicting selectors in the theme code. If styles are overridden, increase selector specificity or add. Important as a last resort, but make sure you document the change. If issues persist, revert and test incrementally to pinpoint which rule conflicts with your menu style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.